recognizing daily bloating and its hidden root causes, plus a delicious chia drink that can help relieve it. Are you tired of feeling bloated every single day? You may think it's perfectly normal, but did you know that daily bloating may be a red flag that something else is wrong? In this video, we will help you recognize the signs of daily bloating and its underlying causes. We will also reveal a simple remedy made with chia drink that has been used for centuries to soothe the digestive system and promote gut health. And stick around until the end, because we have a special gift for you. You won't want to miss it. First, let's talk about what daily bloating is and how it differs from normal fullness after a meal. Everyone experiences bloating from time to time, especially after eating certain foods. But if you find yourself feeling bloated on a daily basis, it may be a sign that something is not right. Normal fullness is a sensation of satisfaction and satiety that you feel when your stomach is full after a meal. It should go away within a few hours. Bloating, on the other hand, is an uncomfortable feeling of pressure, tightness, or distension in your abdomen. It can be accompanied by other symptoms like abdominal pain, burping, belching, farting, and changes in bowel movements. So why does bloating happen? Well, there are many possible causes. One of the most common reasons for daily bloating is eating too many high-fiber foods too quickly. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. When you eat high-fiber foods, your body breaks down some of the fiber into short-chain fatty acids that can help feed your gut bacteria. However, if you introduce too much fiber into your diet all at once, your gut bacteria may not be able to keep up with the digestion process. As a result, undigested fiber can ferment in your colon, producing gas and causing bloating. This is especially true if you do and give your body time to adjust to the increase in fiber. So go slowly when adding more fiber to your diet, and make sure to drink enough water throughout the day to help your body process the fiber more easily. Another culprit behind daily bloating is eating too fast. When you eat quickly, you swallow air along with your food. This can cause your stomach to expand, leading to bloating and discomfort. Carbonated drinks like soda and sparkling water can also contribute to bloating, as they introduce carbon dioxide gas into your stomach. Studies show that artificial sweeteners found in diet sodas can alter the gut microbiome, leading to digestive discomfort and bloating in some people. If you suspect that carbonated drinks are causing your bloating, try switching to flat or still water and see if it makes a difference. For women, hormonal changes during menstruation, pregnancy, or menopause can cause bloating. These changes can affect the balance of fluids in your body and cause your stomach to expand, leading to bloating and discomfort. If you experience bloating related to hormonal changes, consider tracking your symptoms to identify patterns and triggers. Keeping track of your menstrual cycle or using a symptom tracker can help you spot these connections and manage. Your expectations during heavier days of bleeding, stress, and anxiety can also wreak havoc on your gut, leading to bloating and other digestive issues. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that can relax your gut muscles and slow down digestion. This can cause food to stay in your stomach longer and expand, leading to bloating. Additionally, stress can cause you to eat more impulsively and skip meals, which can disrupt your digestive rhythm and worsen bloating. Lack of hydration is another big reason for daily bloating. When you're dehydrated, your body produces less saliva and digestive juices, which can make it harder to break down and absorb nutrients from your food. This can lead to indigestion and bloating. Drinking more water throughout the day can help flush out your system and reduce bloating. A lack of balance and fiber in your diet can also lead to daily bloating. Not getting enough fiber can lead to constipation, which can cause your gut to expand and become bloated. On the other hand, consuming too much fiber without increasing your fluid intake can also lead to bloating and discomfort. Maintain a good balance of fiber in your diet. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day and drink plenty of water. Daily bloating may also be a sign of gut bacteria imbalance. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. When the balance of bacteria in your gut is off, it can lead to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. An imbalance in gut bacteria can be caused by several factors, including a poor diet, antibiotic use, and stress. One way to alleviate bloating and support gut health is by incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine. Chia seeds are small seeds packed with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. When chia seeds come into contact with liquid, they absorb water and expand in your stomach. This can help stimulate gut motility and promote the movement of food through your digestive system. This can help relieve bloating and reduce the frequency of bowel movements. Here's a delicious chia drink recipe that can help reduce bloating. Soak half a teaspoon of chia seeds in a glass of water overnight, or for at least 4 hours. Strain the mixture and drink it on an empty stomach. For extra flavor and sweetness, add a pinch of ground cinnamon or a splash of lemon juice. The gel formed by the chia seeds can help soothe your digestive system and promote a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce bloating and curb cravings throughout the day. Chia seeds contain soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance in your stomach. This gel slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and promotes stable blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels reduce the likelihood of energy crashes and subsequent cravings for sugary foods. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve gut health and reduce inflammation. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet, you can support a healthy gut and reduce the risk of digestive issues like bloating. But if you want to take things a step further, we have a unique gift for you. Our curated collection of science-backed supplements can help ease bloating and support optimal gut health. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore the balance of gut bacteria. They can help alleviate bloating and gas by reducing gut inflammation and promoting regular bowel movements. Studies show that taking a probiotic supplement containing at least 1 billion colony-forming units, CFUs, can help ease bloating and improve gut health. Look for a probiotic with multiple strains of bacteria, as this can provide a wider range of health benefits. Prebiotics are another type of supplement that can help support gut health. Unlike probiotics, prebiotics are not live bacteria. Instead, they are fibers that serve as food for the good bacteria in your gut. By feeding your gut bacteria, prebiotics can help promote their growth and improve their balance. This can help reduce bloating and other digestive issues. Digestive enzymes are supplements that contain enzymes that help break down food in your digestive system. Taking digestive enzymes can help improve the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which can reduce bloating and promote healthy digestion. There are also herbal supplements that can help support a healthier gut. For example, omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce gut inflammation and promote a healthy gut lining. By reducing inflammation in your gut, omega-3 south can help alleviate bloating and other digestive issues. Lastly, magnesium is a mineral that can help reduce constipation, which is a common cause of bloating. Magnesium works by drawing water into the intestines, which helps soften the stool and promote regular bowel movements. In addition to taking supplements, there are lifestyle habits that can help prevent bloating daily. First, drink through a straw. This can help reduce the amount of air you swallow while eating. Second, avoid chewing gum, as this can also lead to swallowing air. Third, lie down after meals to help aid digestion. Fourth, get regular exercise, as physical activity can help promote gut motility and prevent bloating. And finally, practice stress management techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, yoga, or meditation. Stress reduction can help improve gut function and reduce bloating related to stress. Now let's discuss the red flags or warning signs that indicate when chronic bloating should be taken seriously. While occasional bloating is common and usually harmless, persistent bloating can be a red flag for an underlying medical condition. Here are some red flags to watch out for. Severe or persistent bloating that doesn't go away with lifestyle changes or over-the-counter remedies. Unintentional weight loss or weight gain. Severe abdominal pain, especially when it comes on suddenly. A change in bowel habits, including constipation or diarrhea, that lasts for more than a few days. Blood in the stool. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional promptly to rule out any serious underlying conditions. We've compiled a final daily routine for you that combines a balanced diet, chia drink, and targeted supplements to help you achieve long-lasting relief from bloating. Start your day with our chia drink to soothe your digestive system and promote a feeling of fullness. This can help reduce bloating and curb cravings, allowing you to maintain a balanced diet throughout the day. Follow this with a probiotic supplement to support a healthy gut microbiome and ease bloating and gas. Consider adding prebiotics to feed your good gut bacteria and promote their growth. If you struggle with constipation, Incorporate a digestive enzyme supplement to aid in breaking down food and reducing bloating. And if you need additional support, think about adding an omega-3 supplement to reduce gut inflammation or magnesium to prevent constipation-related bloating. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to managing bloating and achieving long-term relief. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts and any questions you may have. Stay healthy and happy.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.